The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven stands out with its improved 100% super convection system that delivers quicker and crispier results. I have provided the link to this oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With its full stainless steel body and brushed finish, this unit combines durability and modern style to suit any kitchen. The 30-quart XL capacity makes it ideal for large families or anyone who likes to cook big meals efficiently. It easily fits two 13-inch pizzas, a 10-pound chicken, or even a 6-pound roast, all while occupying a surprisingly compact footprint. What truly elevates the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro is its precision engineering and smart customization. It offers an adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to a searing 500 degrees Fahrenheit, controlled in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments for maximum accuracy. The top and bottom heating elements can be adjusted independently, giving you full control over how your food is cooked. You can set the bottom heaters at 70% and top at 30%, for instance, to bake a thick pizza with a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese. The upgraded convection fan, with selectable speeds, ensures uniform airflow and heat distribution. That means multi-layer cooking now has only a 0 to 1 degree Fahrenheit difference between racks, delivering incredibly even results. Beyond its power and precision, the Bravo XL Pro is also user-friendly and loaded with smart features. With 12 core cooking functions, including air fry, grill, toast, roast, bake, dehydrate, and slow cook, you can handle almost any recipe with ease. It also boasts 100 one-touch presets, eliminating guesswork for common dishes. The integrated smart digital thermometer automatically stops the cooking process once your food reaches its desired internal temperature, so you never overcook a steak or underbake a roast. Other convenient features include a 5-stage cooking option, auto preheat, delay and warm functions, and a mute/unmute setting. The linear T-heat technology ensures a steady temperature throughout, and the oven even remembers carryover cooking for perfect doneness. Whether you're looking to reduce oil usage by up to 90%, cut cooking times, or gain consistent professional-grade results at home, the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro delivers on all fronts. From its high-performance fan and multi-rack cooking to its stainless steel build and intuitive controls, this is an all-in-one appliance designed for serious home cooks. It's efficient, versatile, and thoughtfully built to handle everything from weeknight dinners to holiday feasts.